Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Pinkley, Precision Ag and Sales Trainer with Greenway. I'd like to welcome you to our Tech Talk. Today we'll be discussing a topic that's being talked about all across the world, autonomy. Autonomy is shaping many different industries every day for the better. Autonomy can help complete simple tasks, complex algorithms, and best of all, labor shortages. You might ask yourself, what does autonomy have to do with John Deere and agriculture? Here with us to answer that question is Jeff Barnes, Greenway's Precision Ag Department Manager.
My name is Jeff Barnes, and I'm the Precision Ag Manager for Greenway Equipment. As Kyle talked about, autonomy is coming and coming quickly to the agricultural market. If you go back in time, 25 years ago, is really when John Deere first started getting into precision ag. And we had what we called the old brown box, right? We progressed past that point. And about 20 years ago, John Deere introduced AutoTrack, which was basically allowed the tractor to steer itself, but still under the control of an operator in the seat. The next phase of AutoTrack was that we had RTK, or real-time kinetics. And that is the highest level of precision to be able to steer the tractor within a sub-inch and repeat that steering over time. Those are two of the first foundations that we had for autonomy. Part of my early career, I was speaking at a grower meeting at Purdue University, and one of the first questions I got after my presentation was from a grower who asked, when are we going to be able to have autonomous tractors where I don't have to have an operator in the seat? That was 20 years ago. The reason he was asking, because I spoke to him quite in-depthly about it after the session was over, is he had a hard time finding labor to be able to get things done on his farm. That is what autonomy is all about. Autonomy is essentially equipment being able to be operated in a safe manner, where it's operating remotely by itself, performing a job on the farm. Many of the foundational technologies that autonomy will be built upon already exist today and can be implemented on your farm. A great example is RTK field level highly accurate boundaries. These boundaries will be essential for being able to tell the machine where to turn and for the machine to be able to safely operate. Another great example is utilization of Operation Center Mobile combined with JD-Link technologies, so that you can remotely manage and look at the operation as it's happening in the field and be able to set up work plans from your phone and send that to the machine as it's operating autonomously. Autonomy will provide two solutions to our farms today. One, when we do not have enough labor in some of our rural markets, it will provide a manager the ability to have multiple pieces of equipment running while they manage other aspects of the farm. It will also allow us to do more timely operations on the farm, when we don't have to worry about having an operator in the piece of equipment that is going to be tired and may make mistakes. They can run 24 hours a day when they have a very short window to get something done, like a tillage operation or eventually as a planting operation. Autonomy, as it is rolled out over the next 5 to 10 years, will provide many benefits to not only agriculture, but society as a whole. From an agricultural standpoint, we'll be able to be more efficient, more productive, and more sustainable in our farming operation. The American farmer is the most efficient at producing food and fiber of anyone in the world. As population increases and available agricultural land decreases, the need for efficient agricultural practices will grow. Advanced technologies like autonomy will be an essential part of being an efficient agricultural production system for the United States and the world.
As we continue to build upon autonomy in agriculture, the quality of work being done increases. Across the world each year, farm labor is in a downward slope. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, hired farm workers make up less than 1% of the U.S. workforce. This shortage has left a major gap behind for you as a grower to try and fill. Let Greenway help you figure out how this autonomous technology can fit into your operation. For more information, feel free to contact your local Greenway Precision Ag specialist or visit us at gogreenway.com.